Hello, guy. Oh man, my my gear sprocket broken. Look at that. Oh man. I think let me see. Oh yeah. Uh, see my gear sprocket broken. So today I'm gonna show you guys how to replace it just yourself. I'm gonna start to order this part online, and then I'm gonna replace it so I can show you. All right. Okay, guy. I just received my part today. Arrived today. Um, if you want to order, I order it from Amazon. It's cost me $37.08. I think including the tax and shipping, receiving. When you order your part, you make sure you check your part number, make sure it match the one that you order, or it will say the gear sprocket compatible. That means match your part number. It's otherwise it's not gonna fit it. It's not gonna work. So you have to return it back. So when you order, you make sure your part number is matching. It say compatible with your part number before you place order. You want to make sure, all right? So let's get started. Okay. Before you start to do anything, you need to unplug the power. Okay. Oh, mine, I use screwdriver. It's okay. The other side. Okay, let's pull the cover off. I just loose screw on the back. The back has 3 screws. So I just loose it here, and one on the other side, and one down here. I use a screwdriver. Just loose it and pull the back of it out. Pull the cover in the back out. Again, and got that one left. Just pull it down. Okay, guys. There's after you take the cover off, there's 3 screws right there. Um, you're gonna use a 5/16 socket ring or socket nut, whatever here. So 1, 2, and 3 right there. Okay. So yeah, what I'm gonna use here, 5/16. hand hold camera, the other hand is it kinda. Okay, got 2 out. Okay, use that one. Okay, I got all these 3 screw out, and then the worm gear right here, they have a clip. All you gotta do is just pull it out like this. Here you go, like that. Okay, and then you pull that one out. See? Shaking. Okay, push it. Okay, when you order the gear sprocket from Amazon, it come with the package. Also, the grease will come with it. So you need to grease right here. Also, you need to grease here at the worm gear. I don't replace that one, the worm gear, because it still look good. So sorry, guy. One hand. Okay, it's in now. It locked. Okay, now it's time to put these 3 screw back. Over here. The other one on the back right here. Put the cover back. Put this 4 screw back, one on this side, one on the left side, one on the right side. Okay, I gotta do. Okay, put the cover in the back, put it back and you're done. Okay, I'll put my chain back, and also you have to, you don't want it too loose. You don't want too tight, you don't want too loose. Here's the adjustment right here. See right here? So if I want it tight, I have to screw it tight. If I want to change the loose, I have to screw it, move my screw back here. If I want it tight, I have to move it in. So that's what we're gonna do. A little bit more. Okay, that's it. Let's try out, see what happens. Okay, guys, I think I'm done. So, yep, the change, not too loose, not too tight. It's about right. So, okay, man, my first time doing this, so I'm not a professional, so so let's try out, okay? Here you go. The moment of truth. Hey, look like I did it. Okay, let's close it back, see what happens. Hey, that's it. That's it, guys. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe. like, give me a thumbs up. Thank you if you like it. Thank you. Bye.